Hello students, this is a GATE previous year question from the GATE 2020. This question is mainly about the TCP connection, data transfer phase, and TCP data transfer phase, how the congestion control is maintained. Let's see the question. Consider a TCP connection between a client and a server, okay, with the following specification. The round trip time is given as 6 milliseconds. Here the round trip time is given as 6 milliseconds, okay. The size of the receiver advertisement window is 50 KB, okay. RWND, receiver advertisement window, is given as 50 KB, and the slow start threshold is 32 KB. Slow start phase threshold value is also given here. This is 32 kilobytes, okay. And the maximum segment size is 2 KB, means MSS size is equal to 2 KB, or we also call this one as 1 MSS equal to 2 kilobyte. 2 kilobyte. The connection is established at time t equal to 0. Assume that there are no timeout and error during the transmission. Then the size of congestion window at time t plus 60 milliseconds after all acknowledgements are processed. Means this one is saying that when you start at t equal to 0, then up to t equal to t plus 60, what is the maximum size of the current window that time? Maximum current window size at that time. Let's see. We know RTT is given here. So first of all, which phases start? Slow start phases start first of all. So we will start from the slow start phase. We will start with the slow start phase. Slow start phase is start from here. Slow start phase, and the first one is sending at t equal to 0, 1 MSS. 1 MSS means equal to 2 KB data is sent, and acknowledgement will arrive after 1 RTT. 1 RTT is equal to 6 milliseconds, means at the next t equal to 6 milliseconds, the second transition will take place. The second transition will take place. Second transition, the window size gets doubled. Window size gets double. This time it is equal to 2 MSS, means equal to 4 kilobyte. 4 kilobyte. Okay, and an RTT will cover an acknowledgement, and acknowledgement comes after completing the acknowledgement at t equal to 12 milliseconds. The third transition will take place, and this third transition contain the window size equal to 4 MSS, because in slow start phase, after arrival of a particular acknowledgement, the window size gets doubled. 4 MSS means the size is equal to 8 kilobyte this time. 8 kilobyte this time, and the timeout will not occur, and at the time t equal to 18 milliseconds, the next transition, fourth transition, will take place, and this time the window size is equal to 8 MSS and its size equal to 16 kilobyte, and the acknowledgement will come, and at t equal to 24 milliseconds, the fifth transition is done, and the size is equal to 16 MSS and size equal to 32 kilobyte. For this one, means the threshold is reached here, means at this point threshold is reached. Slow start threshold is reached. When the slow start threshold is reached, the slow start phase is stopped, and the next congestion avoidance phases start. So congestion avoidance phase start from here. Congestion avoidance phase. So at t equal to 30 millisecond, t equal to 30 millisecond, means in the sixth transition, the window size is increasing additively. So 16 MSS, this time it is 17 MSS, and 32 KB in the 16 MSS, and plus add 2 KB, then the size equal to 34 KB now. 34 KB. At t equal to 36 millisecond, seventh transition take place, 18 MSS, window size equal to 36 kilobyte, t equal to 42 millisecond, 8th transition take place, size equal to 19 MSS and window size equal to 38 KB. T is equal to 48 millisecond start. 9th transition will take place 20 MSS and the window size equal to 40 kilobyte. At T is equal to 54 millisecond, the 10th transition will take place and size is equal to 20 MSS equal to 42 kilobyte. At time T is equal to 60 millisecond, 11th transition will take place and window size equal to 22 ms means 44 kilobyte. And this one is saying that T equal to T plus 60 second, we need to find T equal to T plus 60 second, T 0 plus 60 means this equal to 60 millisecond. And here at 60 millisecond when we transmit a window, at this 60 millisecond when we transmit the window, this is our 11th transmission and the window size equal to 22 ms. And 22 MSS means the window size is equal to 44 kilobyte. The window size is equal to 44 kilobyte. You see 44 kilobytes. This time conversion window for the 11th transmission which we are going to do at the 60th millisecond time is equal to 44 kilobyte. So this is your answer. Answer is 44 kilobyte.